This is a really quick video on formatting cells and the format painter. So what I want to highlight here is that when it comes to Excel, if you put a value in here and you click on it, you have a look up here in the formula bar, it says 5 and it says 5 here, that's fine. But if we were to say tell Excel that this is a dollar value, then it would change the way it's displayed here, and you can see now that it says $5.00. That's fine, and this would be governed by the country that you live in. But the interesting thing is, if you have a look up at the formula bar, you can see that 5 hasn't changed. And the reason for that is that Excel actually in the location of C3 just has a 5 in that cell. But what it's got overlaid over the top of the spreadsheet is a formatting sort of lens that you look at the data through. And so what we've done is we've said whenever we look at the contents of C3, it should be in dollar format. So even though the underlying value is a 5, the way it's displayed is C3 is $5.00. And sometimes you can see this up here. You can see the type of information that's in the cell, and actually Excel guesses. So if I type in here 5 and press enter, you can see that it's noted it as general. If I type in hello, you can also see that it's general, but you can also see that this one's right formatted, right aligned, and this one's left aligned. So it's seen that this is a number and you should have it right aligned. This is a left aligned, even though they both up the top here look just like numbers and letters. It also guesses other things. For example, if I type in $5, it's guessing that it's currency. Okay, so that's another type of way of writing numbers. Once again, you can see the underlying value is 5. It's not like a string that's $5, it's a 5. And so on and so forth. There's other ones as well. There's percentages. So you can see here that it's guessed it's a percentage. So what you can also do is there's this thing called the format painter. So it's quite useful for painting how a particular cell is formatted. So, and it takes all of the things into account. So font size, whether it's bolded, whatever else, its alignment, etc., etc. And so if you have a whole bunch of cells, maybe with just numbers in them, but you want them all formatted in this way, I can click on the cell that I want as the model cell. I can click on the format painter, and then I can click on these cells. That one's a bit big, so make it a bit bigger. And there you go. You can do that again. Format painter, and it'll do this one. But even better is if you click on that one, click on the format painter, and then click the whole column. And it will affect the whole column, as you can see there. So that is formatting of cells and the format painter.